You want that much for your house? Come on. What's up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I break down exactly what you should do if your seller wants too much money for their house. And yes, some real estate wholesaling deals you're going to find out the seller just wants way too much, and it's probably not a good wholesaling real estate deal, but sometimes you can turn that wholesaling deal that doesn't seem like a deal, but the seller wants too much, and turn it actually into a wholesaling deal or other types of real estate wholesaling or real estate investing profits. So before we get into it, guys, remember you need to smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get in the video.
But I'm actually here in the Asheville, North Carolina market.
Nice.
So there's definitely, I joined our local CREA probably back in November, trying to get into wholesaling and stuff. I'm doing a little bit of drywall marketing, getting some leads and stuff like that in. So pretty much right now, I'm just kind of like trying to hone in on where like to spend my money and stuff like that. And also like right now, I'm just getting so many people that are just like, they're like, I want 400 grand for land that's like, you know, that like at wholesale price, you know, you're looking at like maybe 200 grand or like, you know, like property and stuff like that. So like, they're obviously not motivated. And so I'm just having a lot of issues with like people just wanting way like top dollar because the market's so hot here, and they're not wanting to, you know, to come down or budge at all. And, you know, and I've even gone out to a couple properties before, and like they're just wanting top dollar for the property, even though it needs a lot of fixing up. And I kind of explained to them, I'm kind of like give them all the prices and stuff. And it's tough.
Yeah. Have you done a wholesale deal before?
Not yet. I'm
Okay.
like I said, I've been just kind of working some leads and stuff. So,
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So usually I answer this question. There's usually two paths that people do. People say it's too saturated and like it's impossible, and people haven't done deals, and people who've done. And I explain like, hey, look, there's deals out there. So Nashville's a great market. Come to Port St. Lucie, Florida. You see the same thing. I mean, the appreciation here has been insane. Tennessee, there's no state income tax except for like dividends and stuff.
I'm in Asheville, North Carolina.
Oh, Asheville.
Yeah, Asheville.
Oh, that's a great one too.
Yeah.
By Tennessee, but
yeah.
Dude, I did 2 deals last year in Asheville.
Nice.
So it's possible, even in this crazy market. So Asheville's good. It's a little more working class, but yeah, man, are you just going after land?
No, I'm not going for land. Like I said, like they'll have a property on land, but like the one house where they're asking for like 400 grand, like the house was like probably to the condition of like probably needed to be torn down. Like even the sellers were like, it needs to be torn down. And they're just asking way too much. I actually went out to one property. It was kind of a deal, but it was more one of the, it was like a FSBO on like Silo. And so they were, I told them to, like, I went out there, I made the offer, and it was just like a little bit above tax appraisal value. And I was just kind of like honest with them, like, honestly, it's a pretty nice little property. You probably could, you know, get a little bit better than I could, especially someone like coming in, buying at retail and stuff like that. And, you know, just being honest with people and like that, you know, so I don't want to go into, you know, to destroy my reputation as far as the market goes. And just gotta take my time with it. But my main thing is just really like I said, like direct mail, like my first couple mailers, they're pretty simple, like little handwritten postcards I'm doing. They're just simple, like I've been kind of doing some driving for dollars using Dill Machine, and then putting them into you know, a spreadsheet, and then and just simply just been handwriting postcards. But right now I'm kind of figuring out how to scale that up without having to like just doing the handwritten like body of it, and then putting it into Word. And so that way I'm not having to handwrite the whole postcard, you know? So that way, so I've made kind of like a font of my handwriting, which has been pretty effective. And I'm trying to, you know, so that way I can do more mass a lot faster and not having to spend time without my hand falling off, you know?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. The handwritten, it works. I got like 6% on my first test. I got a 6% response rate, which is crazy. So I'm gonna double down on the handwritten part. I'm probably gonna do some cold calling and stuff, but like I said, my main issue is just people are just wanting way like top dollar. I mean, some of them are pretty motivated, like they have some, you know, but then again, it's like they're just wanting astronomical values. So I'm just kind of like, I'll follow up with you in like a couple months ago, and hopefully you'll come back down to more realistic expectations. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So the number one question I always get if someone keeps wanting top dollar is, first of all, we got to qualify the sellers, but you already know that.
Yeah.
The number one question I always ask is, you probably heard me say it a million times, but I say, okay, Philip, you want top dollar? That's great. I know a realtor, Don, he's a great realtor. He can go list your property for you. He'll do a great job. He'll give you the most possible. You should go list it with him. And then they'll say, but X, Y, and Z. Well, do you want the best price or the ease of a cash sale? Which one do you want?
Yep. Yeah. It's
that's it.
Yep. And it's like you have like three things. You have top dollar, you have convenience, and you have speed. Like you can't have all three. Like it's just not possible.
Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.